Hello, I want to share with you all the program we keep continue for CNC program mazatrol. You see, this is mazatrol. Then is the Z0 from start 0 Z and H. So this is the finish points, the start point Z or H. Then there is end point of immediate processing step. Note 1. The Z component of any point located right of program, which must be with minus sign. Z coordination of any point location right is the program must be right is the minus. You see, so from Z0 then is minus theta. From this one to this one is plus. So this is the mazatrol. We use this is mazatrol. This is the tube. So you can just, if the start point shape is present of the same point as this end of the point of the immediate processing step, the coordination must be automatic set by processing the next manual key. So when we write the program, we write like this. Then have program 1, then have material out. This is our material defining inside of the material. We start from right. PTN is the main program for line for TPR for to convince ARC. This is the PTN. From SPTH is start, FPTH is finish. Example, then is 8 from the then 8 from this one to this one to want to use is finish. Start from then here TPR or this finish. Start from this is line, it then finish. So set the finish set. Start from set. Then a TPR, then a line that I want to share you line from this one line. TPR from the ST, then all of this the TPS processing next manual key. So set the following data automatic. Then is end program for example. Then and the second program for example. It can be function also bar and CPR unit. So I can write all the program. Although maximum 200 lines in shape. Sequence data can be set in one material set unit is turning unit. The messy unusable of shape circumference data line may be less than 200 When the corner R and C are within the radian, C a champion indefined complete shape, it is the case alarm. The fin parameter we want to see. So 123, its number of shapes will be displayed even before the maximum unusable must be shaped. So when that line is reached, is the minimum usable number shape. So when that line is existing alarm, so 123 existing number of the shape will be displayed. During two-part check shape checking, shape drawing automatic operation. Thank you. First, I want to share it today. Thank you for watching.